this is kind of a mentality shift, because if you look up, okay, I need to implement a login system. I need to store XYZ in a database. I need to secure this. I think a lot of those costs, just 95% of that goes away. Not saying that you need to store it on chain or anything like that, but I just think there's not a need for it.
Offers this micro translation service. So imagine you have something like Twitter, and as you find translations that match one of the languages that you know, you can just translate them, send, and get the reward.
By default, if a class exists on the blockchain, anyone can create an instance of it. That's just how this works. And so we don't want maybe anyone to just create a planet for free. Maybe we want to require a payment to create a planet. Maybe that's how the game makes its money.
Our SDK we released called Akamai. So basically this is more complex than the previous one. So I want to briefly demonstrate how you use this.
We do want to give the developers as much flexibility as possible, and part of that is there is a need for peer-to-peer, and this has a big part in the future.
So by putting encrypted data inside of a transaction, you can have an immutable audit log of things that happen, which can be something that you want in messaging. So you can have two different properties that are pretty complementary. It can be both private, but also sort of provably have like a provable record of what actually happened at the same time.
From our perspective, yeah, any kind of asset idea you have, any ownership idea you have, we are open to it. We've got a whole massive list in the background that we haven't shared publicly that we're working on. But we're also basically, if someone's got an idea, they can come to us, we post on our forum, come on Telegram, and we will work with them to define a structure, a set of fields that is flexible and allows for other use cases to kind of work off that same structure.
Encoder developers, API developers basically post and price their APIs. So they can put up any API that they own, and they can choose a price per call that API consumers would have to pay to use the API.